Got a new pickup in today from Stock X. Right. Got a StockX bag. Put down my receipt. Authenticity card. Sticker. Picked up the Supreme pink camo pocket tee. Grabbed this off when StockX had a $20 off. So basically got this for retail. Here it is, the pocket tee, size M. That pink camo with the Supreme logo right on the pocket. Size M. Supreme. Size M. Nothing on the back. I love the pocket tees. They fit really, they have a thick material. That's why the retail is like $62, but there's nothing on the back. This is just the pink camo pocket tee that I grabbed. Yep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. More videos coming soon. See you guys in the next one. Peace.